Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this yummy and crunchy tortilla chips from my old and almost out of date tortilla wraps. So instead of throwing your wraps away, you want to take it and make some of these chips for yourself and your family, and you'll be glad you did. So I have some random old tortilla wraps and that's what I'm going to be using. The ingredients you will need are your oil for frying, salt, a little just to taste, and I would also use some black pepper, but of course you can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm keeping it simple today, and you need scissors to cut and your teaspoon to measure your salt. You would also need a pot or a pan for frying. So first you're going to take your wraps and cut. As you can see, I've already started cutting. So you first fold your wrap in halves, and then you fold again in quarters, and then you fold one more time. So the idea is to get them into triangular shape. So you just take your scissors and then you cut just like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Drop a comment, also give a thumbs up. Thank you for your support. So happy you're here. So you want to keep cutting until you get your triangular shapes like this, and then you just repeat until you have all your wraps cut. Now you just take a spray oil and just spray it just to allow the seasoning stick on the wrap, and then you put in your salt and your black pepper. Now you want to give it a very good mix. First give it a shake, give the bowl a shake, just to toss, just toss it around, and then use your hands. Use your hand to just rub it in so this flavor is nice and incorporated. And these wraps I'm using today are just a mix of different types of wraps. So there's one low carb and there's one normal wrap. So the same process follows. Now you want to take your oil and pour into your pan, and then you want to heat it up until it is nice and hot, but not too hot that it burns the wrap immediately. So what I usually do to test it is I drop just one of the tortilla pieces into the oil, and then when it floats, I know it's ready to go. Now it's gone up to the top. Now I'm just going to put in the tortilla in batches, and then I'm going to allow to fry. So the oil is mid temperature. You don't want it to be too low, or else it's just going to get very soggy, and you don't want it to be too high so it doesn't burn immediately. So you just want it to be just right, and you're just going to allow all your tortilla fry in batches. This lot took me about 3 batches to fry them all. So when it was done, it was totally delicious, and we enjoyed it with some dip. You just want to put a kitchen towel and then your fried tortilla wraps on them, your fried tortilla on them, just to absorb the excess oil. So while it's frying, it's a good idea to flip it over so it can fry evenly on both sides. Although this isn't compulsory, you can just use your thumb to push it in just to fry, but I just like to flip it over. Then you want to just take it out once it's nice and golden. You can see this is the final product. It's very nice and golden and crunchy and yummy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Click the like button and turn on the bell notification to be alerted when I put new videos. Thank you for watching.